In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a keyword list in between quotation marks. The use case here is, for example, in some cases for Google Ads, phrase match keywords, they need to be in between quotation marks. There could be other cases, and of course you could do this manually, but the use case here is to do this at scale. So what we're going to do, we're going to use this formula that is here in D1. I already typed it out, and we're going to use it to add the quotation marks to the whole list. So I'm going to start typing the formula here. It's equals, and then we're going to type in double quotation marks 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the way the syntax of the function goes. Then we need an ampersand. Then we are going to type into the cell that has our text. We're going to add the second ampersand, and we're going to add another 4 double quotation marks. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can see here already how the result is going to look like. The word in between quotation marks, that's exactly what I want, so I'm going to press return. Now, all I have to do is drag this formula down, and I can do that by coming here to the bottom right. When you see this little plus, this little cross, you just double click, and that drags the formula down.